Tell me who all we have here.
This is Reagan. Say hi. It's Reagan Grace. She's 6 months. And I'm Derek. And this is my wife Elise. And this is Presley. She's almost 3. We started visiting here, and we truly just fell in love with it. It's such a sweet, sweet church. And it just
his parents introduced us to the church.
My parents used to worship here before my father started preaching again part-time, and it just felt like home. Everybody just been so sweet and welcoming since we started coming. I'm self-employed. I own my own business. I do IT consulting work. I work 100% from home, which is a true big blessing in itself. So I get to work in my PJs all day.
I stay home and take care of the babies and change diapers and make dinner.